Defend against vehicular threats with unyielding protection. Part 68, Terra Saturn Bollard by Frontier Pits. These bollards are hydraulically driven for robustness, effectively halting 7.5-ton vehicle at 50 miles per hour, proving its counter-terrorist strength. Industrial pump drive ensures reliability and minimal maintenance, guaranteeing operational efficiency, proving its reliable hydraulic system. As mentioned before, these bollards are successfully tested against 7.5-ton vehicle impact at 50 miles per hour, meeting stringent security standards of BSI Part 68 certification. Stainless steel cladding for standard protection with optional powder-coated finish for an aesthetic customization. These bollards supports interfacing flexibility by which it seamlessly integrates with various access control systems for enhanced security management. They are quick in response time. Its swift operation is within 6 to 10 seconds with an emergency fast-acting option under 3 seconds. Persistent performance. The bollards maintain functionality post-impact, ensuring continuous security even after testing. The bollards are equipped with vehicle detection loops, photocells, and LED traffic lights for enhanced safety. Why to wait again? Secure your perimeter now itself with Part 68 Terra Saturn Bollard. To order your bollards, contact Stebilex Systems today.